Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to discuss on JavaScript data types. First of all, what is data type? Data types define what kind of value a variable can hold. First of all, what is variable? Here, here ID is a variable to store the 1, 2, 3, 4 value. So here what kind of value a variable can hold? In JavaScript, dynamically typed language means you don't need to specify the type explicitly. For example, in Java, how to declare a variable? In Java, we declare a variable like this. ID is a variable store 1, 2, 3 value of int type. In JavaScript, you don't need to specify the type explicitly. It decided by at runtime. First one is number, used for integer decimals. So how would we know this is number data type or not? In JavaScript, we have one method type of. Type of method is used what kind of data is stored in a variable. So console dot log type of ID. So run the file. So here number. What type of data type is here? ID is number. For example, it is string. Then what should be the output? String. So how would we know the variable is what type? Using type of method. So here no need to mention type, a number, string or dynamically it converts to the JavaScript. Next data type is string. String is a group of characters. Let's run the file. What is the output? Bangalore. Next here place is what type of, how would we know? Using type of method. Console.log of type of place. Save the file and run the file. String. What type of place variable is string type? Next data type is boolean. True or false? Let result equals true. Next, when we use boolean type, used in conditions and validations purpose. Used in conditions, validations. Next, undefined. What is undefined means a variable is declared but we don't assign any value. Undefined. What is undefined? Variable is declared but no value assigned. In interviews mostly asked about undefined. What is undefined? So what is undefined? Variable is declared but no values assigned. Means let here variable is declared. Names is variable is declared but we didn't mention any value like Bangalore. Just declared, leave it. That is undefined. How would we know it is undefined? Same, using type of method. Console dot log type of so output should be undefined. Undefined. Okay, next null. This is also very important in case of interview point of view. Let data equals null. How would we know it is null or not? So same console dot log type of data. So what should be the output? Null? No. In this case, object. Object. So very important in interview point of view. An interview ask like this: what is the type of null? So we have to select type of null is object. We have to say like that, object. Very important. Next data type is symbol. value equals. So when we use symbol, use it for unique values. So we don't create here duplicates. For example, I want I want to create with same value. What will happen? Value. Then what is the output? By default, it is true because both values contain apple only. Let's run the file. False. Because we are using symbol. Symbol means used for unique values. We cannot store same values. So false. Next data type is bigint. Store very large number. Let big value if you want to store big value, then we use bigint. So this is all about primitive data types. Next class we discuss on non-primitive data types. Thank you. So data type mainly divided into two types: primitive data types and non-primitive data types. First we discuss on primitive data types. What are primitive data types? Number, string, boolean, undefined, null, symbol, and bigint. We have 7 types. So discussion one by one.